Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cheech here, and welcome back to Silent Hill Homecoming. Alright, we just got my last video. If you haven't seen the last video, I got my handed to me. So we're just trying to find the keypad. I got no health, no med kit, and I am examining. It's the wrinkling memo, text faded. The only time will tell who has the will to live. Is that like a thing? Text faded, reads, there's some handwriting on the bottom. Only time will tell who has will to live. Are they mentioning the time on the clock? Meaning... Okay, so, this is gonna be tricky, so I might have to cut it here, so, I'll be back, so. There we go. More shotgun ammo, pistol ammo. I'll take that as well. Alright, guys, I'm back. Got some bullets. Alright. So what now? Let's measure escape the station to meet Ellie. Okay. Is there a button anywheres? I don't have no map, so that's out of the question. I don't know if I'm supposed to go back or not. What is that noise? Oh, it's you. Fuck that. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm supposed to go back or what. I don't think there's anything in here. Does it look like it? No. I think I'm supposed to go back. Well, if we go back, I'm putting a fucking bullet in that damn thing's head. No idea what that sound is, though. Alright, here come the other ones. As a matter of fact, I could probably just shoot him downrange. There's no sound to my... There we go. Okay. Maybe I can just hit him now with the axe since I... It's locked. They're like stuck, so... Oh boy, this is... Just gonna kill that one, so I can just... Alright, there we go. Now, let's see what's over here. There's a door that's open here. Okay, how many minutes? Okay, we're barely 6 minutes. Oh, man. Maybe there's a key somewhere around here. No. No. Nope. How did this one close? Guess there's no keys. Blood splatter. Nothing in here. Door's locked. Boys. Oh, hey. Sweet. And can't open it. That one's locked. This one's open. That's the only one that's open. Maybe if we backtrack? Can we backtrack? What about in here? Is there any goodies in here? It doesn't look like it. Oh, station map. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's where I need to go. But how? There was no... There was no way to get to the garage. Well, there is a way, but there's no way to open the garage door. So maybe if we... Let's just head back. Alright. Now, is there a button here somewheres? This? Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see who's gonna come in. Oh my gosh. Dude! Fuck out of here. Damn. Oh, come on, dodge, dude. I guess my character don't know how to dodge. Apparently my character just forgot how to dodge. Oh, apparently he did. And then there's no way to kill him. Maybe if there's ammo around here somewheres. There's no way to dodge this. There's no way to dodge him. I don't know what this game wants me to do, but there's no way to dodge him. See what I mean? I dodge him, and it doesn't work. It literally doesn't work. Okay, you coming back? Okay, fine. Well, once I can dodge, Jesus fucking Christ.
Al, I'm right here. Come on.
Thanks. Alex, where's Wheeler?
I don't think he made it. Come on. We need to find Dr. Fitch.
We'll be safer underground. Come on.
Fuck no. I better hurry.
Come on, come on.
Are you okay?
It's getting worse, Alex. The whole town is falling apart. And there's nothing we can do about it. We're never gonna find him.
Your sister. I didn't know.
She vanished when all of this started.
Your mom told me things had changed. I guess I didn't realize. We're gonna find her, okay? This is all connected. And when we find Josh, we're gonna find her too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's just gonna have to wait, isn't it? I'm all out of time, guys, so let me know what you guys think of this video. If you haven't checked the last one out, go check it out. This is your boy Cheech signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, my wizards.